Little bit of water. Oh.
So, just a little thing of bike activity. It's like, you gotta do it, you know.
Yeah, he won't.
Whole day.
He won't want to do it because it's a girl's bike.
Yeah,
Or
he
her,
has that kind of pride.
or her own. You know, he will only. I'm serious. He'll only do it if I ride that bike and he can ride mine.
Wow, this bike has a rough seat on it.
I know. He as soon as he said this, you know, I still listen to you kids, right? Oh, off the. All on GoPro. Bill crashes and burns.
Oh yeah.
You know, every time I lose my way and I whip the steering wheel around, I realize I'm gonna have to edit that out. Suck. That's one of those grandma moves where she pans. You know.
The feet.
Yeah. Well, no, she pans from left to right like a tennis match, back and forth, watching the ball, and everyone's getting sick. Motion sickness. No, I'm gonna say that I still listen to you kids. You know, when it comes to style or fashion or whatever.
Right.
And then in Hawaii, Ryan just he packs. I don't know. I'll take this. I'll take that. Puts it in a Vons bag and he's gone. And he's gone for 3 weeks. So it's all he needs. So he didn't have a pair of shirts in Hawaii. And you go, I got a pair of shirts, and I got these you can want, and they were like gold ups. Yeah. They were what's that?
Hurley?
No, they're not surf brands. It's they're a lot
Cosimo?
of no Vatos wear them.
Dickies.
Dickies, yeah, they were.
Thank you.
They were Dickies that I bought when I taught junior high school because they were great pants. They were cheap and if I got if I messed them up, I don't care.
Yeah.
So I said, well, do you want to wear these? And he goes, jean shorts? One more. Sorry, one more. Thank you, guys.
It's fun. Good view.
That hill was so much fun. I can't help myself.
That was just hauling. I mean, I love that part.
That's my favorite part.
I know.
That
It's
and the
almost.
other side of the river, where all those hills are.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and you gotta like struggle and then like reach.
Boom, then you'd be flying. Yeah. Yeah. This is. It's just fun. Yeah. Pick it up. Well, he's. Mike is pedaling for two.
She's doing this, jerking left and right, like yeah. He's like,
Stop that.
Stop.
I don't want to go over here. Yeah, this is just thank you. This is a peak moment for me. Just biking with you. You're so pretty.
That's definitely my favorite sunset.
Yep, right there. Anyway, so when he said that, I went, oh my gosh, he's right. Only like really old dudes wear these. And I looked around, and every old guy on the block that was like older than me had not Dickies, but like some kind of jean shorts, and they're always faded. I went, oh, that's it, I'm done.
I'm done with these.
I mean, so when we got back from Hawaii, I tossed them all. I had one pair of black Dickies that were like almost brand new, and they look good. Nah, their jeans are gone.
You know what happens though?
Doggone.
Next year, hipster kids, all the rage.
Oh yeah.
Guaranteed. You know, people wear that? I gotta wear those. Yeah, that'd be really cool.
Well, have you? Let's meander through the parking lot. This right here is one of the best views. Just how it's framed with the trees. I've taken this picture so many times that it never ceases to amaze me.
No, I like the field.
Well, yeah, that's true
I like
too.
the lead up to it.
Yeah, but I like how the trees frame all this. It's really cool. Know what I mean? All right, let's go. It was. I don't know. I think that it's still there. But they haven't. It's been decades since it was functional. Yeah. Well, no, they had It was cold out, but it was like spring or winter, and it wasn't really cold enough consistently to keep it frozen. So there is a refrigeration. There's coils underneath everything to keep the ice. Yeah. Yeah. They never had a Zamboni or anything like that. Oh, let's check the sign, see if the sign's changed. Sons of bitches. No, welcome to, Camp Krusty. Go over farther if it's any place. Go, yeah, turn right here. Really? I thought about it. The Ahwahnee's like a national treasure. How do they get permission to build that extension off the bar? Oh, I know. Wait, it probably has something to do with money. They probably paid somebody. Let's go over to where the trees are on your right. Yeah, there's a tree over there. That's where I usually park the bikes. Over here. You go first.
Here, I'm gonna have you lock them up and I'll wait in line.
Yeah. Thanks.
Alright, you lock them up, I'll wait in line.
Sounds good.